Hey everyone, welcome to our video on the MEXC Referral Code. If you're eager to dive into the world of cryptocurrency trading and want to maximize your rewards, stick around. Today I'll share how using the referral code 12K4M5 can unlock fantastic benefits for you and your friends. So, what is a MEXC referral code? It's a unique identifier that allows you to invite others to join the MEXC platform. When someone signs up using your code, both of you can enjoy amazing rewards. This is a great way to earn while helping others explore crypto trading. By entering the referral code 12K4M5 during registration, new users can access incredible bonuses. You could receive up to 1,000 USDT as a welcome gift. Imagine starting your trading journey with such a boost. It's like having an extra edge right from the start. Here's how to get started. 1. Sign up. Go to the MEXC website or app and click on Sign Up. Fill in your details and make sure to enter the referral code 12K4M5 during registration. 2. Verify your account. After signing up, check your email for a verification link. Click it to activate your account and get ready to trade. 3. Explore your rewards. Once you're logged in, check out the referral section in your account. Here, you'll find your unique referral link that you can share with friends and family. Now, let's talk about the rewards. For every friend who signs up using your code, you earn a commission based on their trading fees. This could be as high as 50% if you hold enough MEXC tokens. The more friends you refer, the more you earn. It's a win-win situation. Sharing is easy. Spread the word about MEXC and your referral code 12K4M5 through social media or messaging apps. The more people you invite, the greater your rewards. In conclusion, using the MEXC referral code 12K4M5 not only enhances your trading experience, but also helps others join a vibrant community with exciting bonuses. So why wait? Start sharing today and watch your rewards grow. Happy trading!